Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurul Hidayati, a student of postgraduate program in Indraprastha BGRI University. And I'm here, I will convey the art of public speaking according to Stephen E. Lucas and focus on visual aids. Visual aids, according to Stephen E. Lucas, are tools that enhance the effectiveness of a presentation by providing visual representation of information. And visual aids play a crucial role in enhancing public speaking by making presentation more engaging and relatable. What are included in visual aids? There are many visual aids. Among others are objects and models. Objects and models are physical items or scaled-down representation that can be shown to the audience. They are effective for illustrating points that involve tangible elements and making concepts more relatable. And the next are photographs and drawing. Photographs and drawing are visual representation that captured through cameras or created by artists. Photographs can evoke emotion and provide real-life example, while drawing can simplify complex ideas. The other visual aids are graphs. Graphs are visual presentation of data that show relationship of trend over time. The common types of graphs include graphs, bar graphs, and pie charts. Graphs are excellent in presenting statistical information clearly and concisely. The next visual aids are charts. Charts are visual representation of information that organized in a systematic way. They are often in rows and columns. Chart can summarize large amounts of data and show relationship between different elements. The next visual aids is video. What is video? Video is a recorded moving image and sound. Video can be powerful tools for storytelling or demonstrating processes. And the last is the speaker. The speaker themselves can serve as a visual aid through gesture, expression, and body language. A speaker can enhance their message through effective nonverbal communication. The common use today is the presentation by technology, but there are some pluses and minuses when making presentation with technology. The pluses of presentation planning with technology, among others, are the first one is enhancing visual communication because it allows speakers to create visually appealing and informative slides, diagrams, and graphs. The next one is increasing professionalism because technology can enhance the speaker's credibility and professionalism. And technology also improve audience engagement because it is more interactive features like animation, videos, and polls that can keep the audience interested and involved. And technology also effective for organization because it organizes thought and structure presentation more effectively. And the accessibility of technology can make presentation more accessible to individuals with disabilities. Are the minuses of presentation planning by using technology? The first one, sometimes it over-reliance because speakers may become over-reliant on the technology. The next one is technical difficulties. The equipment malfunction or software glitches can disrupt the flow of a presentation. The next one is distraction because excessive animation can be distracting the speaker's message. The next one is the lack of authenticity. The overuse of technology can make presentation feel impersonal and less. And the last one is accessibility of challenges. Accessibility and challenges can create new barriers for individuals with certain disabilities. When we make planning to use in presentation, we must determine the purpose and the audience. It means you must focus on what do you want to achieve in your presentation. Who is your audience? The next is the content and structure. You must identify the main point you want to convey. The next one is the technology selection. Ensure that the technology you choose is compatible with your equipment and the venue. And design and the aesthetic. You must use a consistent design theme throughout your presentation, including font color and layout. Next, you need practice and backup. Rehearse your presentation with the technology to ensure a smooth delivery and have a backup plan in case of technical difficulties. And the last one is the ethical consideration. Ensure the necessary permission to use any copyrighted material in your presentation. The following are the guidelines for preparing visual aids. Prepare visual aids well in advance. It can be the quality, the organization, the consistency, the time management, and flexibility. The next, you must keep visual aids simple. It can be the clarity, the focus, the professionalism, and the effectiveness. And then make sure aids are large enough. It can be the visibility, the clarity, and the impact. You must use a limited amount of text because too much text can overwhelm your audience and make it difficult to focus on the main message. Here are the guidelines for presenting visual aids. Display visual aids where listener can see them and avoid passing visual aids among the audience. Display visual aids only while discussing them and explain visual aids clearly and concisely. The last one, talk to your audience, not to your visual aids. Now we come to the conclusion. No matter what kinds of visual aids you use, you need to prepare it carefully. You will be most successful if you prepare your aids well in advance and keep them simple. Display each aid only while you are talking about it, and be sure to place it where everyone can see it without straining. If you are using presentation technology, make sure the room and the equipment prior to the times of delivery. And above all, practice with your visual aids so they fit into your speech smoothly and expertly. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.